So, fully paid up life insurance policies are very unique vehicles, and you can accomplish it a number of different ways. You have 7 pays, 10 pays, where from the day that you put the policy in force, typically a whole life policy, you have committed to, and the premium is almost always adjusted accordingly because they know that you're going to pay on it for that amount of time and then never again for the rest of the life of the policy. So it's literally that you pay on the policy for 7 years, policy is in force for your whole life, or you pay on the policy for 10 years, policy is in force for your whole life. So those things come in handy for someone that's nearing retirement. You're putting a policy in place for a child, or for a myriad of reasons where you just don't want to have a monthly bill indefinitely. Another way to accomplish this is by taking advantage of a universal life policy and the cash accumulation in the universal life policy, in that you can maintain your premiums, pay a little bit over your premiums on a monthly basis, so that at some point you can pick up the phone and call the insurance company and say, hey, based on the cash value that I have now and the cost of insurance, how long is this policy guaranteed to last? And they'll tell you, because they run an annual summary on your policy every year anyway, how long that policy is guaranteed to last, how long it could potentially last based on what we call, I guess, a mid-range, for lack of a better way to put it, and then how long it'll last based on current assumptions. But you always, if this is your goal, you always want to look at the guaranteed side and see, based on where it is now, how long that policy is guaranteed to last, so you or your family don't get caught in a very unfortunate situation that unfortunately many families find themselves in when that day does come. So again, you can do it with a whole life policy or universal life policy. One completely takes the guesswork out of the situation, and one is something that you kind of build up to and check in on, and you'll receive annual notifications on to kind of help you figure out when you can pull back from that policy and no longer be concerned about those monthly premiums or those monthly obligations and still maintain your benefits. If you have any questions about any of that, just DM me. We'll schedule a time, sit down and kind of assess your situation, figure out kind of what your needs are, what your goals are, and how we can best provide you with that peace of mind and level of protection that you were looking for yourself and those that depend on you.